Hey, it's Eric from WDWNT. It's 12:30 p.m. on the first day of Disney, the Genie service. So I've never used it before. We're going to go through it. We are only going to do things the Genie tells us to do. No paid lightning lane stuff, no Genie Plus. Only what Genie tells us to do for us poor people out there. So come along with us. The Genie's telling us already that our first attraction is going to be the Mad Tea Party. All right, here we are. We're going to do some teacups. Very short line. Not in the lightning lane. There are people that paid to be on this one person faster than me. I'm not that guy. Let's see.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
My, what a lovely tea party. I have to say, Genie was dead on, said 10 minutes is exactly a 10-minute wait. Let's see, I'm a little scared of where it's going to tell us to go next. Let me see. Pinocchio Village, what a place to send somebody after they've just been, like, dizzy. We said we're going to do whatever the Genie says. We got to go to Pinocchio Village house. So you want a Coke or water or a coffee or... Coke is good. So I ordered our food about 45 seconds ago, and miracle of miracles, it's ready. Granted, we didn't get full meals because we don't do that to ourselves. We just got like sides of Pinocchio Village, but still, hey, 45 seconds, pretty good turnaround. Let's pick it up. A couple notes here. We just got sides because Genie told us we had to eat here. Didn't tell us we had to eat their disgusting flatbreads. So neither of us is in the mood for that. I'm not gonna do it. Also of note, we're back off the Heinz, and we're back with the red gold ketchup. Red gold ketchup. This is interesting because Bob Chapek started off at Heinz, but he's from Indiana, which is where red gold ketchup is from. So who's winning in the Chapek ketchup battle? I don't know. Stay tuned for that one. The app keeps changing what it wants me to do. So since we sat down and ate those breadsticks, now it wants us to go to the Enchanted Tiki Room. It did say Splash. At one point it said Haunted Mansion. Right now it says Tiki Room is best bang for a buck. So let's go. Here we are at the Enchanted Tiki Room. One of those attractions you just can't miss, and Genie wanted to make sure we did. There we go.
That's almost as much fun as New Year's Eve in the Orange Groves.
That show keeps getting shorter and shorter. Let's see what they have next for us. 10 minutes later. Splash Mountain. 2:05 it's saying. And it says the forecast wait time will be 45 minutes. All right, so it's 55 minutes according to this, 45 according to the app, and it's 1:54. Let's check it out. A lot of excitement coming up after this. So far, it's reminding me to do all this stuff in disappearing ink. Stay tuned. It's 2:42. So our wait time was 48 minutes. The app said it was 45. The sign outside said 55. So right between those. Now it's telling us Pirates of the Caribbean, low wait time. It says at 3:25, it's 3:03 right now. The forecast wait time is 30 minutes on standby. What? So Genie says we go, we go. So the wait has been actually just under 20 minutes. So 18 minutes, not bad. The app said 30, outside said 30. We're doing okay. All right, so another classic down, scratched off the list thanks to the Genie. We go wherever the Genie tells us to go. Next on the list, Swiss Family Treehouse. I don't make the rules. I follow the Genie. I don't think this is a lightning lane thing. I think there won't be a lot of competition. Let's see. It says there's a forecast wait time. I guess there isn't one. All right, let's do it. It's the most crowded I've seen the entrance before. There you have it. Disney's newest resort. 400 DVC points a night. Minimum 3 nights a day. Let's see what's going on now. We did those two. It says Space Mountain next. We are an hour ahead of schedule. So we picked up a lot of time there. It says 4:40. Wait time is low. 50-minute standby line. All right, so Space Mountain, it said it was a 50-minute wait. It was less than 30. In fact, 30 minutes later, we're already off the ride. We're well ahead of schedule now. It's telling us to go to Carousel of Progress. So we'll do that. It doesn't say anything about people movers, just carousel. So we do what Genie says. It's changed up a lot because we're way ahead of schedule. Now saying we can do the Barnstormer and Dumbo, and then launching pad. So a lot of turds coming up. Let's go do it. "20 minutes for the Barnstormer. You're really pushing my buttons, Genie." This is like an episode of Saw, where you have to do all these things because you're just told to. And I'm starting to get bad. All right, so we are ahead of schedule. Once it's on Dumbo next. So let's head to Dumbo. It says that the forecasted wait time is 10 minutes. All right, so we are still a good 25-30 minutes ahead of schedule. Next on the docket is it knows it's time to eat, and it wants us to go to the lunching pad, for better or worse. So we're gonna make a mobile order at the lunching pad. We'll see how this goes. Order is already ready. They've only had it for about a minute. I told them I was here, I lied. I'm still at the Speedway, so. Just to follow up on something that started over at Village House earlier, we are Red Gold here too. Team Red Gold is soundly defeating Heinz at the Magic Kingdom now, so we might be a Red Gold park now. We have a pretzel, we have chicken tenders. This is called If You Had Wings. If You Had Wings was an attraction in Tomorrowland that closed in 1989, which I think is when they pulled these from the fryer. They're a little not great. But hey, come to the lunching pad anyway. All right, we're all done. It's telling us to go to Prince Charming Regal Carousel. Another very exciting ride. You'll note that we are around about a half hour ahead, 40 minutes ahead now, because it's saying 6:55. It's only 6:17 right now. I will say my one criticism of Genie so far, a lot of walking, a lot of sitting back and forth. This was sponsored by like Gold Bond, some medicated powder. Find your chafing place with Gold Bond, or we can work on that, but there's a lot of walking that we have to do. But I've had a pleasant day so far. I can't criticize it too much, even though it's had me going on some pretty boring rides, I guess. You know, we're not all just living in the e-ticket lane today, but we still had a lot of good stuff so far. We got a couple big ones coming up too. Next up, Haunted Mansion, again, 7:10 is what it's recommending. We're at 6:37, so we're well ahead of schedule again. videotape that. Look at the lightning one.
Oh,
There's the lightning lane.
that's the lightning lane.
All right, so that was the biggest disparity we've seen in the actual wait time versus the post wait time. Posted was 55 minutes. Our wait time was 17 minutes. So that puts us way ahead of schedule. We only have one attraction left to do tonight, and that is Big Thunder Mountain. It has us getting there at 8:10. It's 7:10, so we're an hour ahead of schedule. Posted wait time 25 minutes. It is 7:17. All right, so that was only about a 15-minute wait. There's only 2 rules on this attraction. Hold on to your hats and glasses, and I forgot them both, lost them both. I'm just kidding. Genie, you've been a pain in my ass today. You didn't let me ride the People Mover. You didn't let me eat anywhere good. But all in all, I think pretty successful debut. I enjoyed myself, and maybe next time we'll give it a shot at another park. See you next time. So the Genie came back alive, Jake. It's telling me to go to the Enchanted Rose.
Oh.
So I said I would do what the Genie said. Let's do it.